So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay from an Apple Watch. First of all, make sure you have installed the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Also, you have installed the Apple Wallet app on your Apple Watch. If you don't have it, you can just go to the App Store and install Apple Wallet. Now open the Apple Wallet app and here tap on this three dot at the top left corner. And here just tap on add card, and now you have to add your card first of all. So you can add Apple account or debit or credit card. Also you can add transit card. So I'm selecting debit or credit card, and then here just tap on continue. Write here your card name and card number, then tap on continue and go ahead and add your card first of all. Now I'll show you how to use Apple Pay for contactless payments on Apple Watch. So whenever you want to add contactless payments, just press this power button twice, and here you get all of your added cards. Just scroll to choose a card. Once you selected the specific card, hold Apple Watch within a few centimeters of the contactless card reader with the display facing the reader, and a gentle tap and beep confirm that the payment information was sent. You receive a notification in notification center when the transaction is confirmed. That's how you can easily use your Apple Watch for Apple Pay.